see all these cracks, I can push it in and out. So this is... Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be working on a 2014 Honda Accord Sport 2.4 liter engine. It's here for an oil change, and also there is a clunking noise every time you shift from park to reverse. So that sounds like a bad engine mount right there. We're gonna need to torque the engine down, so you need somebody to sit inside the car and hold the brake pedal with his left foot all the time, and then shift to reverse, feather the gas a little bit, shift to drive, feather the gas, and keep doing that while you watch the engine mount. Alright, go ahead, reverse and drive. You can tell it's broken. I wasn't shooting when I checked all of them, because on that engine there's another 3 mounts, one in the back, one in the front, and one under the air filter, the transmission side. But for this video we'll be replacing only the side mount here. You need to undo this ground cable on the engine bracket. And before you loosen up the bolts, you need to support the engine first, so slide your jack with a wood block between the jack and the oil pan, and just give it a little pump to support it and loosen up the bolts. Okay, set that on the side. And you guys can see that it's broken already. You see that? Okay, then there's 2 more 17s here for the engine bracket. Okay, set that on the side too. And then to the mount down there. You guys can see it's held on by 3 17mm. And here's the old mount. You guys see, didn't even take 5 minutes. So here's what I mean by broken. Inside there, you see all these cracks, I can push it in and out. So this is, I'm kidding, it's going to the scrap. And then let's install the new one here. Line up the bolts. And the third one in the back. Alright, let's tie in all 3 of them. and the one in the back. So the mount is on. Now let's go ahead and put that bracket. Catch some thread here. And then install the bolt that goes between the bracket and the mount. You might need to wiggle the mount a little bit just so you can line up the bolts and catch some thread. And go ahead and tie in all three. And don't forget your ground cable here. Alright guys, we got the brand new engine mount here. So let's focus on this here. I'm gonna go torque the engine so you can see what a good mount should move like. So what a good engine mount should move like. Any engine mount should have a little movement to compensate for the engine moving between reverse and drive, but it shouldn't bounce up and down like the broke one that we just changed. So thank you very much guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down there. Tell me what you think about the video, and we'll see you next time.